Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Friday, July 12, 2024. So, yesterday we witnessed history, and not referring to Joe Biden's big boy press conference or anything going on at NATO or anything else in Washington, but on Wall Street. The difference between the S&P 500, which was down about, NASDAQ down about 2%, and the Russell, which was up over 3%. That difference only happened one other time in October of 2008. And in 2000, the fall of 2008 was that the markets and the economy and the system and the country were dealing with the mortgage meltdown, real estate collapse, a new president coming in November of '08, Barack Obama, and a lot of volatility and the Fed cutting interest rates and all global central banks cutting interest rates to zero and pumping the system full of money. So during that time was the last time we saw what we saw yesterday with the difference with the Russell 2000 outperforming the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 by such a wide margin. By the way, so during that time frame in 2008, the stock market didn't bottom until the following April of 2009, and then it had a decent rally from there. So we'll see what happens. I don't know that the yesterday morning stocks did rise across the board, and then midday it seemed like Nvidia, Tesla had some news and a downgrade. I guess this taxi robot, which they were banking on, now there's delays in getting that out, so that reversed, and a lot of the large cap and growth stocks sold off in the afternoon. Some energy in the small caps and like that continue to rally, and again with that big divergence. So the I've seen some headlines about yesterday's CPI and jobless claims number. Maybe we're approaching an economic slowdown, and this is what the stock market went down on. It could have been an algorithmic problem, or maybe some hedge fund trapped, or it could be just a plain rotation out of large cap growth and into the small caps. And this morning, there's a rebound in the large caps and S&P 500 and Nasdaq, but also the Russell continues to move higher as well today. So we'll see that it's the first down day for the S&P in the whole month of July yesterday, which is kind of remarkable too. So stocks are extended, but that's not to say we can't go higher. We'll see what the rest of this today goes on, and then the beginning of the week, and I'll be back on Monday. Thank you for listening and have a good weekend. Goodbye.